The lawmakers maintained that the newly elected lawmakers in their inaugural section had robust deliberations on how to make Nigeria a better nation. They assured that the parliament will not hesitate to take action on any policy that will not be for the benefit of Nigerians. They further admonished Nigerians to be patient with the new administration, urging the two other arms of government to put the country first in all their decision-making process.
We clearly need to have a paradigm shift. And whatever we do here, we must recognize that the masses of people look up to us for succor in all ramifications. And what I've told my colleagues is that whatever we do, however we do it, we must recognize that it is important to have the masses of people in our hearts.
We have nearly 50% of our roads as federal roads. And over time, you look at the stretch of road through Egbe down to Lokoja. Is it from Lokoja down to Ida or even Ofu? Is it from that place through Okene to Auchi? You see, a majority of our roads are federal roads.
On the emergence of Senator Godswill Akpabio as Senate President, the lawmakers said the election of presiding officers was free and fair, adding that they, as parliamentarians, have resolved to work with the leadership irrespective of party affiliations.
You need to understand that we are all here to make law for the betterment of Nigeria, one. Therefore, we have the same vision and mission, 109. Secondly, most of us has cognate experience of the parliament.
Because of the avalanche of various political parties in the 10th National Assembly, one should expect a very robust debate on issues, and one should equally expect very constructive criticisms of executive bills that are coming from the executive, which in the long run will translate into bills that will impact positively on the lives of Nigerians.
The Senate had initially adjourned for 2 weeks, but for the Salah holiday made it 3 weeks to resume July 4th. The 10th Senate is composed of 109 senators with 59 from the ruling All Progressive Congress, while the remaining 50 are from the opposition party of the People's Democratic Party, Social Democratic Party, Labour Party, New Nigerian People's Party, All Progressive Grand Alliance, and Young Progressive Party. Chuka Ohai, ITV News.